Hello everyone, good day. I am Rusty Algonsay from BSHM Block 2 first year student. The content of this video is all about arithmetic operation, sorting, and charting. I'll perform the four arithmetic operation, which is the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and also how to sort numbers and text, and creating a chart. So let's get started. So, ayun, may nakalagay na akong kanina, mga grades, and imaginary grades and subjects. Punta na tayo sa sum. Pupunta lang tayo dito different formula. First, we have the sum, the addition. So, ang gagawin lang dito is sum, tapos A1 plus A10, tapos lalabas na siya, which is 869. Yes. And if ito total natin siya, kakopy mo lang. Yun. Then, yan, 869. Then afterwards, punta naman tayo sa subtraction. So, A1 minus A2. Yan. Total na yan, which is 15. Next, copy mo lang. Then, lalabas na lahat. Yan. So, as you can see, na total na siya. And, yan, A2 minus A3 equals 5. Yan. Next is product. So, sa product, ganun, A1 times A2, which is multiplication. Parang ita-times mo lang. So, first one, A1 plus times A2 is 7, 6. Then, copy, tapos lalabas na lahat. Then, next, division. Di-divide lang yung A1 divided by A2. Divide natin siya. Divide A2. 80. So, yan, 1.1875. Tapos, copy ulit. Maano mo siya din lang. Lahat ng sagot. Then, next, tatry natin isort, guys. So, isort natin siya. Yan, i-copy mo lang yung grades. Yes, continue. Tapos, sort. Yan, as you can see, 79 pinakamababa, 95 yung pinakamataas. Then, isort natin siya ulit. From copy, yung subject, from A to Z. Tingnan nyo, guys. Sort, continue. So, comprog na yung nauna, then last ang science. Yan. Na-sort na siya. Ganun lang mag-sort. Madali lang. Next one is, mag-ano naman tayo. Paano chart. So, pili lang tayo dun. Pili pie graph. Yan. Copy the grades. Tapos, click mo yung 2D. Chart title. Pangalan ko. Which is Rusty Libag Kunsay. Yan. Then, data label. Yan. Pwede mo siyang kulayan with different style, different color. If you want bright, neutral, you can use any color para mas malinaw and visible. Yan. They have different palette, guys. Different shade colors. So pretty. Yan. Then, ilagay mo lang dito yung grade na na-compute mo. Tapos, yun na, percentage, makikita mo na rin dyan. Yan. Pakita lang natin. Yan. So, ganyan gumawa ng chart. And, yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.